Wow, these guys are really loud. I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, that's a little bit better. Out in the country, it's a bit more quiet. Still lots of sound though, now that the ducks are back. These pintails especially, I love the way they sound. Such elegant feathers too. There's so much water these days. Snow is melting like crazy and there's sloughs everywhere. I was out looking for swans and I was having a pretty tough time getting anywhere near them. So many sloughs, they're scattered all over the place. But finally I found these guys over by Carsland. These are tundra swans and they're only going to stop around here for a while until things thaw out further north and they can head to their breeding grounds. They sure got plenty of places to roost. It might be the middle of April, but there's still a lot of snow left out there to melt. And every low spot east of the city is filling up as quickly as it can. The birds, though, are loving it. Pintails, mallards, American widgeons, hundreds, thousands of them are all over the place out there. In the evening, they fill the skies. And back in the city along the Bull River, there's a lot of gulls. Noisy, but just as beautiful. Spring is taking its time coming, but the birds know it's here.